Hey everybody, Anthony here from XXX RC Garage, and I've got some more cool stuff from Traxxas. So, I just picked up the mirrors and snorkel for the Sport. That's your part number, 8119. And it also comes with the template decals, so you can put them on before you cut your holes. It comes with the snorkel, the clip, it comes with pretty much everything on here. So, originally, I cheated because Traxxas took too long, and I put red cap mirrors and stuff here because I like to have my stuff done. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove these things now. This package here, so this is going to be a package opening. Alright, so it comes with the template. It comes with the clips and the rubber gaskets and the screws, and it also comes with the mirror window thingies. And then of course we've got the snorkel here. It looks like it also comes with a secondary bolt up there. And these mirrors, which I think are really cool. They look almost like an F-150 mirror of some sort. Here's the other mirror. And then this is the back of the snorkel, which will go on the other side of the body. Once you cut the holes and put it in, it'll bolt on like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the instructions here. Now the instruction manual here is going to show you a few different things. Okay, so the Sport, for instance, the body. Here we go. Here's the Sport body. So what we're going to have is, this says left window, and this will be for the, oh, and here, down here's the right window. So these actually go over the whole window in order for you to cut the spots for it. So this is the right side of the truck here. And so the right window is this side here. So what we're going to do is we're going to peel back the masking here. And I'm going to use my blade here to get under it. That's the window mask. So what we're going to do is we're going to be cutting holes here and here for the mirror, which would be this mirror here, will fit here. And it looks like to me on the snorkel, we bolt that up down here. I guess we're supposed to cut a hole here for this piece to slide into on the inside. Oh, this is going to go on the back side of the mirror. So when we put this inside, this is going to slide in and be like this. So the mirror is, okay, I see this. All right, that's cool. All right, so we got the masking set. Now, instead of using a drill, we are supposed to be using a body reamer. And the body reamer we're going to do is basically poke in the middle here, and then just cut it out. Same thing here. Okay. Got it big enough for that. So now we got to do. Okay, guys. So what I did, and I caution you to be very careful doing this, and if you're a young man, have a parent help you with this. But I took this X-Acto knife and I took my heat gun, I heated the tip up in order to make this slot, and basically just heated it up and then pushed it in until I cut the spot I needed. So let's see, where'd the snorkel go? So this is supposed to go kind of in here like such. I don't know if it's big enough or not. Not exactly on their line. So now we have another masking, and this is going to be for the snorkel. I got it in there pretty good. And so that's what it's going to look like. And of course you can then take your body reamer. Be careful you don't poke yourself on the other side. Then you're going to cut. Let's see if that's going to fit. Yep. So now we're just going to remove the mask. And you can see my original holes here, but you won't have that problem if you're starting fresh and not doing what I did. So basically we're going to stick this here in the hole that we cut, the hood. And then of course we're going to get this thing to fit, slide into place. And I believe this is going to be a 2mm. Yep. And then we got to put this back plate on here. And it looks like this back plate's going to fit like this. Got a little light in here too, so that'll help. Everything's black in here for now. So what we're going to do is the screw goes in this. And then of course we got it to go into the hole, into that piece right there. And looks like it just started fitting. Alright, pretty cool. And you can see that this bracket here for the snorkel lines up with that mirror. Let me find the right mirror for it though. I think this is it here. So now what you're supposed to do is put these little rubber gaskets here and inside. Okay guys, I got the little rubber gaskets in the body pins on here. So now for the left masking, I found to be easier when installing this is start with the back of the window and the top of the window. And there it is. And so what we're going to do now is there's a little spot here, spot here. I'm going to go to my other Reamer tool. It's not quite as big, it's a little smaller. I mean, I did the first one with it and it was fine, but number 1 and number 2. Alright, so now with that, this should be it. There it is. So let's remove the masking and cover that up anyway. And that's what it's going to look like. So now it's time to put the rubber gaskets and the pins. So, and move some stuff out of the way here because I'm missing a rubber gasket. Oh, here it is. Alright, got my parts back. So this is going to go like this, over top. And then this one too, over top. And I know there's got to be a better and easier way of doing this. I'm going to try using these needle nose here. See if I can't get it to seat nicer. Alright. Body pin number 1. Oh yeah, that one went on really good. And 2. Wow. And my mirror and snorkel completed. So what I'm going to do, if you stand by, I'm going to actually try to do this to fit a Ford Raptor Proline body. So anyway, I'm not sure about the snorkel, but maybe just the mirrors, but we'll see how that works. So stand by. Okay, some of you guys have the Ford Raptor body on your TRX4 Sport, not Sport, but the Defender. And so maybe you want to put mirrors on this Proline body. So being this is the right window, I think what I'm going to do Let's make sure this is going to line up. Proper. So it looks like that's going to work. Now, as far as the snorkel goes, I'm having a feeling that the snorkel is not going to be a part of its life. And not even the red cap. But at least if I get the mirrors on here, that's going to be awesome. So hold your breath, guys. Here it happens. A little different from the other ones I did. I'm going to, it looks pretty straight. I'm just going to use some Shugu or E6000 on this to keep it in place instead of using the clips, just because, you know, the clips are going to be a little bit of a pain. I really don't want to take out this whole interior again like I did on the other one. And like I said, this is just an improvised video. First one was basically for installing for the Sport, and this is going to be for the Raptor body. Stand by for more. So this mirror is going to fit on here just like this, and like I said, we're going to use some adhesive E6000 to keep it in place, and I think that's going to look really sharp. So there you have it. This is the Pro Line body that you can use this on, or B, like I said, you could use it on the Sport like you just saw. So this is it, guys. I hope you like it. Comment down below, and again, the part number for this is this number right here, and that's for the snorkel and the mirrors for the TRX4 Sport. And again, I'm using these on this one. Okay guys, there you have it, the TRX4 Sport mirrors and snorkel, and these are by Traxxas, and I'll tell you, these are $8. $8, guys, for the whole kit to install in your Sport. So again, Traxxas did it again and did it price point. Anyway, Traxxas, appreciate what you've done for our Sport, and I really love it. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget the like button, and if you have a comment, just ask. And remember, have fun with RCs. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And by the way, I've hit over 2,500 subscribers so far, and my last video on the rack has, at this point in time, has gotten over 5,000 views. I am completely ecstatic on that. I really want to thank you for watching. Take care. Again, have fun with RCs.